Understanding bold colors in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, bold colors. This is a common term in English, especially in art, fashion, and design. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also enhance your ability to describe things more vividly in English. Let's dive in. The word bold in English often refers to something that is strong, noticeable, and confident. When we talk about colors, bold implies that they are bright, vivid, or striking. These are colors that stand out and catch your eye because of their intensity or uniqueness. Now, let's look at some examples of bold colors. These include colors like bright red, electric blue, neon green, and hot pink. These colors are often used to make a statement or to draw attention to something. For instance, a bright red dress can be described as a bold choice. To help you understand better, here are some sentences using bold colors. The artist used bold colors in her painting to convey strong emotions. Wearing bold colors can make you stand out in a crowd. The graphic designer chose bold colors for the poster to make it more eye-catching. It's important to note that bold colors can have different meanings depending on the context. In fashion, they might represent a daring style, while in art, they could be used to express certain feelings or ideas. I hope this video has helped you understand what bold colors means in English. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the ideas and concepts they represent. Have fun using this new phrase in your conversations or creative projects. See you in the next video.